Hey Quiz Titans, get ready for an exciting challenge. Today, we're diving into the world of flags with the Guess the Country by the Flag quiz. You'll face 35 exciting questions, and you'll have only 5 seconds to answer each one. Drop your answers in the comment box. I'd love to see how many you get right. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button for more fun quizzes. Alright, quiz champions, let's begin. Which country's flag has these colors? The answer is C. Brazil. Are you smart enough to identify this flag? The answer is B. Israel. Can you tell the country from its flag design? The answer is a Ukraine. What nation does this flag represent? The answer is C. Poland. Test your flag knowledge with this one. The answer is B. Denmark. Which country flies this flag? The answer is a Norway. Can you identify this famous flag? The answer is C. Sweden. Guess the country before time runs out. The answer is B. Switzerland. Do you recognize this national symbol? The answer is a Netherlands. Which nation's colors are these? The answer is C. Portugal. Name the country by looking at the flag. The answer is B. Spain. Can you match this flag to its country? The answer is a Greece. What country is represented by this flag? The answer is C. Ethiopia. Flag experts, can you guess this one? The answer is B. Kenya. Which world flag is shown here? The answer is a Nigeria. Can you identify the country in seconds? The answer is C. South Africa. Do you know the name of this flag? The answer is B. Egypt. Guess the nation from the flag image. The answer is a New Zealand. Which country does this beautiful flag belong to? The answer is C. Philippines. Can you solve this flag challenge? The answer is B. Singapore. Flag masters, can you identify this one? The answer is a Malaysia. What is the name of this country flag? The answer is C. Vietnam. Can you guess the nation by the flag? The answer is B. Thailand. Which nation is represented by this flag? The answer is Afghanistan. Can you name the country from the flag? The answer is C. Bhutan. Think you know this flag? The answer is India. Which flag is this, champions? The answer is C, Sri Lanka. Can you spot the correct country? The answer is B, Bangladesh. Guess the flag challenge. The answer is a Pakistan. What country's flag are you looking at? The answer is C, Iraq. Do you recognize the flag shown here? The answer is Iran. Which country owns this flag? The answer is C, Turkey. Guess the country by its flag. The answer is B, Saudi Arabia. Can you tell which country this is? The answer is Indonesia. Which nation does this flag belong to? The answer is C, South Korea. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. Also, drop your score in the comment box. I'd love to see how you did.